a weapon of struggle against apartheid oppression and exploitation is our people organized into mass formation of the democratic movement.
Nelson Mandela was an anti-apartheid activist and the first black president of South Africa. He was born Rolihlahla Mandela on July 18, 1918, in the rural village of Mvezo. A descendant of the Tembu royal family, Mandela's father served as a local chief and counselor to the king. His devout Christian mother enrolled him in a Methodist school, where he was given the English name Nelson. After his father's death, the 12-year-old Mandela was brought to the center of the Tembu monarchy to be raised by the king's regent. Living among the royal family exposed Mandela to powerful examples of black leadership that remained a source of influence throughout his life. Mandela attended the University College of Fort Hare and studied law at the University of Witwatersrand in Johannesburg. The school's only black student and a frequent target of racism, Mandela soon began to immerse himself in the world of radical politics. In 1944, he joined the African National Congress, an anti-colonialist political party that fought to enfranchise and empower the black population living under an oppressive white authority. Mandela helped to found the ANC's Youth League and quickly rose in its ranks alongside fellow activists Oliver Tambo and Walter Sisulu. With the National Party's rise to power in 1948, South Africa's racial inequality was officially codified under the system of apartheid. The government passed legislation that institutionalized discrimination and enforced the supremacy of the minority white population. Mandela and the ANC fought back, launching the Defiance Campaigns of 1952, a series of nonviolent direct actions uniting black, Indian, and communist coalitions through coordinated civil disobedience. The National Party swiftly cracked down on their efforts, jailing Mandela and banning him from the ANC. Before long, the campaign had died out. In 1956, Mandela and 155 colleagues were tried for treason. While they were ultimately acquitted, Mandela became convinced that apartheid would not fall without armed resistance. In 1961, he formed the MK, a militant branch of the ANC that committed targeted acts of sabotage against the government and its military. The MK's guerrilla tactics were effective, but in August 1962, Mandela was captured. Charged with conspiracy, he received a life sentence. Incarcerated at Robben Island, Mandela remained a symbol of black South African resistance. During his years behind bars, he continued his fight on a smaller scale, organizing against the prison's inhumane conditions through demonstrations and teach-ins. Calls for Mandela's freedom gradually built up global support, and South Africa's government buckled under growing pressure. Finally, in 1990, after 27 years, Mandela was released from prison. South Africa held its first open elections in 1994. The African National Congress, led by Mandela, won in a landslide. As president, Mandela prioritized national programs that expanded access to social services, education, and housing. His administration also established the Truth and Reconciliation Commission, which served to investigate and confront human rights violations committed under apartheid. At the end of his first term in 1999, Mandela retired from politics. He continued to commit himself to activism, particularly in response to the AIDS crisis, until the end of his life. In 2013, Mandela died of a respiratory infection at age 95. He still stands as both the father of his nation and an international symbol of hard-won liberation.
The Nelson Mandela International Day is celebrated on July 18 every year. This was first declared by UN in the year 2009, and the first UN Mandela Day is celebrated in 2010. This day is not a public holiday, but it is to celebrate the life and the works of Nelson Mandela by volunteering the community services. Nelson Mandela was a black nationalist and the South Africa's first democratically elected black president. The UN established this day to acknowledging the contributions of Nelson Mandela towards the democracy and the culture of peace and human rights all over the world. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought the loss of devastation of life and food insecurity for many communities. Many people have lost their livelihood and many become dependent for each other for their survival. The theme for the International Mandela Day 2021 is One Hand Can Feed Another. This day is the call for the people to ignite and work together to tackle the problem of food insecurity. The Mandela Day is also known as 67 Minutes Mandela Day. The phrase 67 minutes is a message to convey that people should do something good for 67 minutes on this day. It marks each minute, marks the each year of the Mandela that served his nation.
After 27 years in prison, Nelson Mandela was freed in 1919 and negotiated with the state president Frederick William de Klerk the end of apartheid in South Africa, bringing peace to a racially divided country and leading the fight for a human right around the world. The humans are born free and equally in dignity and rights. Nelson Mandela dedicated his life to fight for equality and ultimately has stapled South Africa's racist system of apartheid. These accomplishments are now celebrated on each year, 18 July, as the Nelson Mandela Day.
Political career of Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was identified as an African nationalist or socialist. He served as the president of African National Congress (ANC) party from 1991 to 1997. He was also identified as an ideological position since joining the ANC. Nelson Mandela was a practical politician rather than intellectual scholar or political theorist. Thank you.
As long as poverty, injustice, and gross inequality exist in our world, none of us can truly rest. The COVID-19 pandemic has exacerbated existing crises and made it more challenging to meet the demands of social justice. This moment in history has come with the devastating loss of life, exposed the fragility of health systems, and aggravated food insecurity for many communities. Millions of livelihoods have been lost, and people have become increasingly dependent on one. Mandela Day. Champions and members of the Nelson Mandela Day Global Network have followed the clarion call to take action, inspire change, making every day Mandela Day for the past 12 years. We are grateful to each of you for living the legacy by taking hashtag action against poverty. This year, the fight against poverty continues. This Nelson Mandela Day, the call to action for the people of South Africa is for each of us to ignite the members of Ubuntu and tackle insecurity by working together. Introducing the Nelson Mandela Day theme for 2021. One hand can feed another. Thank you.
My name is Rishita Singh. I am studying class 9th. Today I am saying something about apartheid. Apartheid was a political and social system in South Africa during the era of white minority rule. It enforced racial discrimination against non-white, mainly focused on skin color and facial features. This existed in the 20th century from 1948 until the year 1990s. The word apartheid means separateness in the African language. The main reason for apartheid was fear, as in South Africa, the white people in the minority and many people were worried about lost their job, culture and language. In the election of 1948, the National Party took power and in the next few years made new apartheid laws. Group Area Act, Bantu Education Act, Bantu Authority Act, Law Pass, Criminal Law, Separate Law, etc. On the basis of their races could live and work, the type of education they could receive and whether they could vote. Nelson Mandela, born 18 July 1918, Mizo, South Africa. He is the first president of South Africa from 1948 to 1999. He was the country's first black head of state and the first elected in fully representative democratic election. Award: Nobel Peace Prize, Bharat Ratna, Nishane-e-Pakistan. Nelson Mandela dedicated his life to fight for equality. His accomplishments are now celebrated each year on July 18, Nelson Mandela International Day. He died in 5 December in South Africa. Johnsonburg. Thank you.